Today has been one of the hardest things to watch in a really long time on social media, and that's saying something because we've watched a genocide play out before our eyes for decades, but even more so in the last 3-4 years. 160 airstrikes in 10 minutes on residential buildings, on schools, on hospitals, on civilian infrastructure, on cemeteries with funeral processions in the midst of a ceasefire. I don't know how to reconcile my tax dollars doing this to my homeland. I feel like it's really important to get on here and to talk and to say this, but I am at such a loss for words. All I can do sometimes is reshare other people's voices who can articulate it a little bit more with a little bit more emotional separation. But what is happening? We are sending people to scope out living on the moon while we bomb each other. This is dystopian. This is insane. We watched this happen before our eyes to a nation, and now we're watching it happen before our eyes blatantly and overtly to another sovereign nation. When is it enough? When will it stop? My thoughts are with everybody in Lebanon right now. My heart goes out to you. It's really, 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 I don't want to get on here and cry because I am so lucky. I'm so fortunate. But